Have you ever feel like you tried everything, every side hustle, every freebie, every quick money, but somehow you always end up where you started, overwhelmed, stuck, and honestly just tired? I remember that feeling so well, and laying awake all night, talking to myself, ask myself, where did I go wrong? I didn't want to give myself a job. I don't want to give up my stay at home mommy lifestyle, but I needed to help my overworked husband financially. And my biggest fear was nothing would ever change. But it's not your fault. You don't need to ask yourself the questions anymore. You don't need to feel like a failure. You don't need to live with that guilt anymore. What you need, my friend, you need a real proven system with daily guidance in a supportive community. That changed everything for me. So 17 months ago, I stepped into the e-learning industry as a complete beginner. I don't need to leave my house. I don't need to give up my stay-at-home mommy lifestyle. In fact, I replaced my husband's overtime with my 2-hour workday. I'm learning the skills, how to earn in dollars from home, from my phone. I learned the skills how to build something real. The same mommy who felt like a failure, the same stress out stay at home mommy, now earning in dollars, replace my husband's overtime with my 2-hour workday. You don't need to live with that guilt anymore. If you want to know about the system that I follow for the past 17 months now, put a word ready in my comments and let me plug you.